All right, Bass Busters, you're gonna get a kick out of this one. I learned my lesson. They say you're supposed to learn a lesson. I say it's a great day to learn something new. So today, I went out in preparation for my upcoming bass tournament. It'll be my first tournament on Saturday. And got all my equipment set up. I did find, as I was setting up, that I'm missing the mount for my transducer. The screw came out, it won't mount, so I got to go and buy one of those. That's missing. And then I didn't catch anything. That's okay. I'm at a different lake today, Bussy Woods, and I didn't catch anything, which is fine. I got no problem with that. Again, you're not going to catch something every single day. But the thing I learned and the thing I want to share is, as I was docking, I pulled in. I got enough of the front on to the pavement to hold myself. Yeah, I'm still here. And started to walk forward in the canoe. I had the stabilizers down still. I thought I was okay. Well, little did I know, I wasn't okay. I got soaking wet. I dumped. I turned over. Everything's wet. Right now I'm pulling off my wet sweatpants. And I'll explain why I'm wearing sweatpants in June sometime, but not today. Oh my God. So, that's my adventure for the day. Hopefully you know somebody who would be willing to subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you get more funnies like this. Hopefully I never do this again. The thing I learned is back into the dock, and that way you can get out easily without having to walk the canoe. So that's what I'll do next time, is back into the dock. In the meantime, I'm soaking wet and no towel, because I got a hand towel. I honestly did not expect to dump. That's the first time since I started canoeing and kayaking back in 2017 that I've actually dumped. So it happens to everybody probably. Now it's happened to me too. More later when I